audio ZVXs, two 412s on an AK, and then I got 610s, McLarens on another.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
In 1942, I got my 42. Oh, you got your 42. Nigga, I got 48. That's when he blew me up. That's when he blew me
Yeah, man. I do a lot of YouTube videos. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Oh, my name is Kombo. I'm from New York. Just moved out here 9 months ago.
Okay.
I got Scar Audio ZVXs, two 412s on an AK, and then I got 610s, McLarens on another AK.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
wow, okay. Where's your amps at?
My amp's in the trunk. It's a mess.
It's a mess? Okay.
Yeah,
Are these
why.
wired? What are your amp wired to on the subs?
Oh, they're on a 1-ohm.
1 ohm? Okay.
Yeah, 1-ohm. Okay. And I still didn't seal it yet.
You still got a seal around the wall?
Yeah, I still. And right now I hit it 152.
152, like this?
Yeah, like this. I'll show you my. Look,
That's awesome. That's good, man.
I'll show you my Instagram right now so you can see.
Yes, sir. What's your electrical like? Your alternator and battery?
My alternator, I got a C-Mac battery. I got a C-Mac battery. I got an upgrade alternator, 300.
Okay.
I'll show you right now. Look. I'll show you right now.
What's your peak frequency?
That's the only thing I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Awesome. Congrats. And that's before it's sealed off. So when it's sealed off,
I already broke the front window.
oh man.
Look. I broke the front window already. That's all I hitting it hard.
You got a new one. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. What
You already know.
What was your name?
Kombo.
Kombo. All right.
Kombo.
All right. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we just got of Kombo's system. This was at the 2021 Jacksonville, Florida show. Summer Showcase, Annual Showcase show. So give him a like. He did a really good job. I was hoping to actually get into his trunk to be able to see what was all the electrical wiring, batteries, amplifiers, etc. But he didn't want to put it on video because it was a mess. So props to him at least making it to the show to bass out and show us for the demo. We're going to get to a 3-song bass demo here in a minute. For that, if you haven't already, go ahead and comment. Let him know what you think about his system. And it's a work in progress, as he was talking about. He still has to seal off his wall. Really like the way his back door pods are. Definitely screaming with the tweeters and mid bass. Really musical response. He was able to open up the doors at the show and blare the music with his doors wide open, so you could hear the music literally probably a mile away. So shout out to you. Did a good job, Kombo. Also, the way the subwoofers are mounted right behind the seat, once it gets that sealed off, the pressure is probably going to be a lot louder. With all the windows and doors open, it's almost like free air style for some of the notes because there's not enough pressure in the vehicle, so it's putting all the pressure outside of the vehicle. So the video might not show the most justice for how loud this system is. But we're going to go ahead and get to the subwoofer flex bass demo now. Good bit of outside and inside flex and the trunk flex. So give them a like. Again, if you haven't, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos and enjoy the bass demo. Good job, Kombo. Enjoy, everybody.
I've been around with choppers since I'm glad you brought him up. R.I.P. my uncle, free my youngin', bitch, we brought him up. I heard you fuck around, I'm fucking now, I like the bad shit. I had 60 out of 62, I'm talking bad bitches. I talk cash shit, I like the crash shit. I'm bad, then I'm fast ones, I'm not gon' laugh some. I'm blowing out if I get jammed up, them niggas ran once. Who shit back if he ran up me gas tub. I make it jump and get it gone, nigga ass bug. I got this bitch singing my songs and she had plug. I'm half rapper, I got bad luck. Turn into mama when it's drama, I don't pass much. I told dog to get cutty, I'ma shake some. And every time we double back, my niggas whack some. I ain't been selling too much crap, bitch, I got racks coming to my bitch I love. And if you catch a cheat, nigga, tell that bitch you fuck. pouring up. Put your homie lacking at the light, so shit be pouring up. Fans came and grabbed you by them bricks let's take a modern day stroll. This is the modern day hoe. Last time I checked, we was running the globe. I'm about to go figure four. 2 knock, 2 times, it's a big at the door. 2 times. Somebody blowing up, little mama phone, little nigga just come get your phone. I'm talking paddock on the wrist, book, get it, dance on the big, get it. You know that bitch too thick, you can't even see the dance on that big back. The way that we spinning that Hellcat, going tabs on the kid. She wanna pop a G6, she sucking on big and I make a movie, I'm going Michael Bay, hunt you to see insane. The way that I'm moving, we going motorcade. 42, I got my 42. Oh, you got your 42. Nigga, I got 40 on it. I'm recording, you can't see my eyes, cause I be pulling up. I be my young boy, that's outside and hit my shorty up. 20 never just a stripping bitch, cause that's what 40 up. Every time you catch me in some shit, it call like pouring up. Put your homie lacking at the light, so shit be pouring up. Fans came and grabbed you by them bricks, that's when he pulled me up. Fans came and grabbed you by them bricks, that's when he pulled me up. I've been around with choppers late since I'm glad you brought him up. R.I.P. my uncle, free my youngin' bitch, we loaded up. I heard you fuck around, I'm fucking now, I like the bad shit. I hit 60 out of 62, I'm talking bad bitches. I talk cash shit, I like the crash shit. I'm bad, then I'm fast with, I like go lamb truck. I'm blowing it out if I get jammed up. Them niggas ran what? Doing shit back if he ran up me gas club. I make it jump and get it gone, nigga ass blood. I got his bitch singing my songs and she had blood. I'm half rapper, whole chopper, I got bad luck. Turn into mama when it's drama, I don't pass much. I told dog again, Cuddy, I'ma shake some. And every time we double back, my niggas whack some. I ain't been selling too much crack, bitch, I got rats coming. Tell my bitch I love her. And if you catch a G, nigga, tell that bitch is fucking. I can't wake you up. Bitch ass niggas. Nigga, let's take a modern day stroll. This is the modern day hoe. Last time I checked, we was running the globe. I'm about to go figure four. 2 knock, 2 times, it's a big at the door. 2 times. Somebody blowing up, little mama phone, little nigga just come get your phone. I'm talking paddock on the wrist, book, get it. Dance on the big, get it. You know that bitch too thick, you can't even see the dance on the big back. The way that we spinning that Hellcat, blowing tabs on the kid. She wanna pop a G6, she sucking on big and
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.